Here, 1,000 paper cranes whisper the weight of remembrance, each one folded by hope and carried by love. And here, where the cries of Mizu, Mizu once echoed, the fountain of peace offers a gentle reply, a prayer made of water, flowing eternally for the souls lost beneath the silence. On August 6, 1949, history changed here, but in the silence that followed, a message of peace began to rise. The train pulls in, not just to a station, but into a city transformed. Hiroshima, reborn, resilient, alive.
And so Hiroshima moves forward, gracefully, powerfully, rebuilt by the quiet hands of those who refuse to let hope die. This is a city no longer defined by its past, but by the pulse of its present. From the roar of revival to the hush of sacred silence, Hiroshima's journey leads us now across calm waters. The sea opened wide and welcomed us to an island where time forgets itself. Where forests whisper through sunlight, and then we climbed past cedar and pine to a place where the sky leans down to kiss the mountaintops, and old stones cradle the weight of 1,000 quiet footsteps. The gate, bold and red, stood calmly in the shallows, not as a wall, but as a passage between the known and the still unknown within us. And when we sailed away, the island did not wave goodbye. It simply held us a little longer in memory. As the sky darkens, Hiroshima glows with quiet hope. Each lantern, a message, a memory, a dream. Floating on the river's skin, they carry prayers from generations, past and present, not for revenge, not for sorrow, but for peace, for light, for love. This is Hiroshima today. From my window to the world, may peace always find its way.